This is Tokyo Metro Tsukiji Station. Right there, you can see Tsukiji Honganji Temple, which is a national important cultural property. The building is pretty unique with an exterior modeled after ancient Buddhist architecture from India and other Asian countries, and many animal sculptures. A 1-minute walk away is the Tsukiji HATO Market. The Tsukiji Market was a public wholesale market used for 83 years, starting in 1935. It ceased operations in 2018 with the opening of the Toyosu Market. But Tsukiji HATO Market is still one of the popular tourist destinations with over 400 shops. Keep in mind that it's closed on Wednesdays and Sundays and holidays. It was Sunday, but some shops were open. Well, today I'm gonna stay at a hotel which is a 5-minute walk from here. Let's go! By the way, it's now August. It is extremely hot in Tokyo. We'd better not to stay outside for too long. If you can choose the time of the year, you should avoid August when coming to Tokyo. I found our taiyaki shop. I'll get one. I arrived. This is Ginza Capital Hotel. The hotel has 2 buildings, Moegi and Akane. This is Moegi. I'm staying in the other one, which is across the street. This is the Ginza Capital Hotel Akane. There's a restaurant called Akane Kuriya on the first floor. There's also a lobby space. Souvenirs are sold next to the front desk. Incidentally, this hotel is operated by HATO BUS, a huge sightseeing bus company. Tsukudani is a tradition in this area. It was originally made as a preserved food. I have checked in. Check-in time is 3 o'clock. My room is a single room on the 10th floor. Here it is. The price for the day was 8,500 yen per night with breakfast. The rate is very reasonable. There's a fridge here. I'll try to open the curtain. We have no view, but it's nice and bright. I think this single room is spacious enough, considering I'm in the center of Tokyo. Of course, they offer different types of rooms. Looks like Moegi has connect rooms as well. There's a closet here. I can't close this, but can I call it a closet? It has 3 hangers, a brush, a shoe polish, and a shoe horn. And I have disposable slippers. The single bed is here. There's loungewear. It looks like this. The bed is not too hard. It's very nice. The back of the pillow has beads. We call it sobagara. You can use either side you like. The clock and light switches are here. Footlight, room light, bedside light. This is the AC control. The room is comfortable. I have outlets here. There's a full-length mirror. And this is the workspace. Japanese rules and manners. Please throw away your trash in the trash can. Okay? Please follow traffic rules. Drive on the left. They are a bus company. You cannot invite friends, acquaintances, or partners indoors. Isn't it so in your country? Come to think of it, Japanese accommodations often have different rates for the same room depending on the number of people using it. Checkout time is 10 o'clock, but you can extend it up to 2 hours for an additional charge. There is a chair. In the drawer, there's an extension cord. They offer laundry service for fee, but they also have a laundromat that can save you more money. There's a tea set here. I have a Japanese tea cup and some green tea. There's a mini pot for one person and a mini electric server. You can heat water and drinks. This is the room key, and this is a breakfast ticket. The breakfast is a little cheaper if you make a reservation at least one day in advance. There's a mirror, a tissue box, and the TV is there. They offer several breakfast menus to choose from. The price for the day is 1,650 yen, but if you make a reservation until the day before, it is 1,320 yen. They appear to offer Tokyo subway tickets exclusively for guests. If you use the subway a lot, it may be a good idea to buy your ticket here first. Looks like they also offer aromatherapy services. There's a telephone, the front desk is dial 3, there are power outlets on the desk too, and this is a Panasonic hair dryer. There are 2 fabric and air fresheners. I'll try it. It smells good. How about this one? I don't know the difference between the two, but it smells good. Cosmos is the flower of autumn. Now, let's check out the bathroom. It is very clean. The toilet is equipped with washlet by Toto, trash can. There's a bathtub. The shower head looks like this. The angle of the shower hanger is adjustable. There are shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The washstand with a clear mirror looks like this. It's large enough and usable. This is face and hand foam. Tap water is drinkable. There's an outlet, a cup, and a toothbrush. Here's a hand towel and a bath towel. I've got a glass in the fridge. It's nice and cold. Lipton lemon tea is a universal word, right? Let's eat taiyaki. It's a traditional Japanese sweet in the shape of a tai, sea bream. This taiyaki is a bit unique in that it has a hane on it. A regular taiyaki without a hane looks like this. Inside the taiyaki is anko, red bean paste. It's sweet and tasty. Well, I'll work on YouTube for a while. Now, it's evening. The dangerous heat outside would have calmed down a little. I'll go out for a short walk. The door is auto-locked. Looks like they have a vending machine corner on the 4th floor. Let's take a look at it. The vending machine sells alcohol as well. You can also get ice for free. I found a microwave oven too. The hotel is right there. The nearest station, Shintomicho, was a 1-minute walking distance. It's very conveniently located with 2 metro lines very close by. In Tokyo, the proximity of a station has a lot to do with the convenience of a place. The railroad network is very well developed. The Sumida River is just a 5-minute walk from the hotel. This is the Tsukuda Ohashi Bridge. I can say the Sumida River is one of the symbols of Tokyo's development. This area is an artificial reclaimed land. There are many luxury condominiums, as you can see. People who live in this area are mainly financially well-off people or traditional landowners. The night view is so beautiful, so if you're in the neighborhood, you should walk across the bridge. You can see a similar view from the next bridge as well. Upstream of the Sumida River, you can also see the Tokyo Sky Tree. That is a Tokyo cruise ship. As I recall, it goes from Asakusa to Odaiba. The bridge over there is the Kachidoki-bashi Bridge, an important cultural asset. It's a drawbridge, but it's not in operation today. You can also see Tokyo Tower over there. Kachidoki-bashi is illuminated. The promenade along the river should be a good walking route on a fine day. I'll do some shopping at 7-Eleven before going back. Convenience stores are everywhere in central Tokyo. I'm home. It's a late night. I'm working hard. I'm working very hard. I came to use the microwave oven. And I'm getting some ice too. These are from 7-Eleven. Kikurage is a kind of mushroom. Onigiri from convenience stores are staple food for the common people. They are packaged separately as rice and nori, seaweed, to keep the nori dry. It has salmon inside. Eggs and pork are also great. This is kelp. Both salmon and kelp have been a staple of onigiri for a long time. I'm gonna make some tea. I'll also prepare the bath. I've got some sweets. Green tea soaks the heart of the Japanese, like this. The bath is perfect. Do you think Japanese bath culture is unique? Of course, the shower temperature and water pressure were perfect. I was refreshed. I'll also refresh my clothes. Now, I will finish today's diary at once. I didn't finish it, but I'm going to bed. Good night. Good morning. I had a sound sleep. It's gonna be hot outside again today. I'll change my clothes and go have breakfast. It looks like you can borrow a bicycle. This is the restaurant on the first floor. Its interior has a nice atmosphere. Drinks are here, all you can drink. I got some vegetable juice for now. I ordered a Japanese one. Miso soup. A half-boiled egg is going on rice. Soy sauce. This is saba, mackerel, and this is shake, salmon. Both are standard grade fish. There are many kinds of side dishes. This is harako, cod roll. I'll put it on rice too. Gammodoki, kimpira, beans, surimi, kelp, ごちそうさまでした。It was very delicious. I got a latte. They say you can bring drinks to your room. So, I got another cup of coffee for my room. I was working very hard again. Now, it's time to go. I had a very pleasant stay. The whole experience was great, including the location and cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.